So today I've created a track in a style of Max Styler within 10 minutes by using our new Club Ammo sample collection and the serum presets of them. Let's go. So, and I just literally created this within 10 minutes, and I'm gonna start with the first sound. That's this one. It's called Lead Robot Invasion, and you have some nice parameters right here. So this lead is called Robot Invasion, and you have a lot of cool macro knobs over here. So here you can play around with the release, with the flanger, with the delay of the sound, and you can open it up. So that works pretty nice if you build towards the drop, for example, like this, to open up that macro. So, and I didn't do any further post-processing on the sound, except for some simple sidechaining and a filter to open it up like this, or I actually closed it. And the second sound here is the bass sound, super important of course. This is the patch called Bass Lasers. And it's super simple to use with these macro knobs like this, like the open filter. So and it works pretty well to keep the track interesting and make it drivey. For the post-processing on a sound, it is again just a simple sidechain, and I added this bass mono. Super important to have all the frequencies in the low end in mono like this, like not in a full low end, but everything underneath 120 Hz needs to be in mono. So no further post-processing on the sound itself. The drums, it's just a full groove. But if you want to use the separate elements like the kick or the hat or the top loop or whatever, you can use that as well, because we have everything right here in the drums. This is just full groove 12. Here, if you only want to have like the top loop of that, you can do that, and then you can choose another kick. Just pure to taste, but this full groove sounds very good instantly with this bass. And then I have used this great vocal. You move like you know you want me. One look of you and I'm addicted. Because in the pack there are a lot of great vocals, like female vocals. You have the dry and the wet version of the vocal, but then you have some great vocal one-shots as well. And some stutter Fox, of course. And some nice robot Fox. Works pretty well in this kind of tracks. Then I have this effect. This one from the one shot, and then I chopped it up just a tiny bit. And then with some echo on it, it sounds like this. It's kind of a response to fill up the gap here. And it works pretty good. Then I have this nice drum fill. It just speaks for itself. I chopped like the first snare only, and then I just created a super small build here, and then I automated it like this. And then this effect gives it a little bit more impact when it hits. And then this right loop. To make it a little bit more interesting. And then I have this sound again. The first sound. But this time I have the kickstart on to sidechain it. Here it was off. And this is, by the way, what the MIDI of the bass and this sound here looks like. Super simple but effective. So like what I said, I just created this within 10 minutes. So it's just pure to check how fast you can build a track in the style of Max Styler. So the pack is out now. Don't wait longer. This is everything you need if you want to make tracks in the style of Max Styler, Maupi, Oddmob, and many more. So thanks for watching to this video. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.